Hey guys, in this video I want to showcase a new addition to stock analysis. So as of last week, stock analysis partnered with Quarter to bring you conference calls. So you could actually tune into all prior conference calls. You can read AI summaries of those conference calls, and you could actually read the entire conference call if you would like. So what you would do is simply type in a ticker. We'll use Apple as an example. You're going to head over to Profile right here. You're going to click the second tab, and you're going to see, if you scroll down, not only can you listen to conference calls, but you can also, anytime a keynote is taking place or some sort of a corporate event that is being recorded, you can view it here. So really nice if you want to play back some conference calls. I typically come across a few unique opportunities per year, and I really want to dig into what they're saying on the Q&A section of their conference calls. So I'll often go back a few quarters and go through some conference calls. I think it provides a lot of insights. In fact, if you're involved in business, you could read all these business books, or you can simply kind of listen to conference calls and learn from those who are actually doing. So I find a lot of value in that. In addition, you could read the entire script if you'd like. So it's right there. Or you can also click this AI summary. I find a lot of value in this. I've been really digging through these AI summaries on a few tickers that I am currently involved in. So they give kind of an executive summary, some highlights, outlook and guidance, segment performance. So it's very helpful if you don't have time to read the entire script or listen to the entire conference call. These AI summaries are incredibly useful. So all you have to do again is type in a ticker. We'll use Meta this time. Click over to Profile. Click the second tab right here. You can play back conference calls if you'd like. And the nice thing is, when you play the audio of a conference call or any event that is hosted, you can actually skip to a certain section. For conference calls, you can skip to the Q&A section. So maybe you don't want to actually hear how numbers are delivered because you can read about that, but you want to listen to the Q&A when they're taking actual questions. There's a little section on the audio player where you can just skip right to that. So I find a lot of value in that. So this is a new addition to stock analysis. It's available for all free and paying users. So take a look at it.